The FSD extension identifies a FamiStudio project file used to create chiptune music for NES emulators and real hardware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or export your project correctly. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium FSD file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. FSD files store project data for FamiStudio, a free NES music editor. They contain instrument patches, patterns, and song structures in a proprietary binary format, essential for composing music on emulated or real NES hardware. FamiStudio projects are saved as compressed binary blobs, including track data instrument definitions for DMC DCO and square wave channels, and metadata like tempo and BPM. The format requires FamiStudio or compatible tools for editing and playback. The essential opener for the FSD structure is FamiStudio developed by Blueboy. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows supports simple listening for many formats, though full control requires audio-focused applications. Let's start the diagnostic. Right-click the FSD file and select Open With. Test FamiStudio if it appears. You may need to systematically try a few applications. When your FSD file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We've got this under control. If the FSD file is still closed, it's one of 3 basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, launching FamiStudio. Download and install FamiStudio from famistudio.org for your operating system. Once installed, open your FSD file directly through File, then open or drag the file onto the FamiStudio window to load your project immediately. Next, fixing corrupted projects. If the project fails to load, locate the most recent automatic backup FSD file in FamiStudio's backup directory. Enable the autosave feature in settings to prevent future data loss by saving incremental backups during your composition sessions. Finally, exporting to NES. Export your completed project as an NSF file using File, then export the NSF sound format for playback on real NES hardware. Use the Meson or Nestopia emulator to test and validate your exported NSF file before distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.